The yellow yam comes from a perennial vine plant, which stretches up to 2 meters long. Yellow yams are similar to sweet potatoes. However, while yams and sweet potatoes are often used interchangeably in grocery stores, they are two different starchy vegetables that supplies different nutrients. The sweet potato is related to the morning glory family. Sweet potatoes have orange flesh but can also be white, yellow, or purple, and they should not be confused with yams. Yams are closely related to the lily and the grass family and vary in color from ivory, white, yellow, and purple. Yams are mostly long and cylindrical, with a rough and sometimes scaly texture. There is a distinct difference between the two tubers. Yams are larger in size and have a thicker skin. They vary in size from that of a small potato to a record 130 pounds, where sweet potatoes are relatively small in size and have a much thinner peel. In this video, we will cover the health benefits of the Jamaican yellow yam, but first we will take a brief look at its history and answer a few regularly asked questions about this nutritious tuber. Yams are native to Africa and Asia, and there are over 600 varieties of yams, 95% of which are grown in Africa. Yams are spread to the Caribbean islands by way of the evils of the slave trade. The name yams comes from the African word nyami, which refers to the act of eating. There are up to 18 distinct yam varieties in Jamaica, and they all have a novel taste, flavor, and texture. Some yellow yams are dry and starchy, some are sweet and soft, and a few are waxy. The yellow yam is a tropical root vegetable that is known locally as Jamaican yellow yam. It is traditionally eaten as part of Jamaican meals, along with other ground provisions, consisting of different boiled root tubers, dumplings, and a mix of various other vegetables. Yellow yam has often been considered as an underrated tuber vegetable that undoubtedly deserves to be placed on the menu of every individual's kitchen. Did you know copper is an essential nutrient that is required for the healthy production of red blood cells and iron absorption in your body? Instead of consuming copper through various multivitamin supplements, you might choose to include Jamaican yellow yam into your diet as a natural, healthy alternative. Yellow yams contain copper along with other minerals and vitamins. This makes yellow yams a natural and economical addition to meals. By adding this tuber to our diets, we gain vital nutrients our body needs to function the way it was intended to. Most regular diets in today's environment are void of much of the nutrients our bodies depend on to sustain both health and well-being. Yellow yams are undoubtedly easy to cook. Boiled, steamed, or roast yams can be served as a side dish also. You can mash the boiled yams and add a little butter as you would with potatoes. Add the yam to a selection of your favorite vegetables for a variety and enjoy. Here is a step-by-step guide for you to achieve the perfect boiled yams. Step 1. You will need a sharp knife to peel the skin off the yellow yam. Step 2. Cut the yam into medium-sized pieces and place them into a bowl of water. Add a little salt or lemon juice to the water to stop the yam from discoloring. Step 3. Wash the yams and prepare for the cooking process. Step 4. Set a pot on to boil, adding a little salt to your taste. Bring the water to a boil and then add the yam pieces. Step 5. Cook for approximately 30 minutes on medium-high heat. You can use a skewer to test the yams halfway through the cooking process to check whether they are cooked through. Step 6. Once cooked, remove the boiled yams from the pot of boiling water and serve while hot, alongside your favorite dish. Yellow yam's nutritional content: carbohydrates 95 grams, iron 24 milligrams, protein 5 grams, fat 1 gram, sugar 2 grams, vitamin C 97 milligrams, calcium 97 milligrams, sodium 31 milligrams, potassium 2776 milligrams, fiber 14 grams. As a great source of fiber, including all the other nutrients discussed in this video, is it any wonder that yams have been linked to various health benefits? For example, yams may boost brain health, reduce inflammation, and improve blood sugar levels. Versatile and easy to prepare, they are a great vegetable to add to your diet. For instance, are you worrying about thinning hair or baldness like many others in today's stressful world? Well, yellow yams are here to help. Low levels of iron can lead to hair loss, and boiled yellow yams are high in iron, which help to provide blood flow to the scalp and boosts hair growth. The presence of iron in Jamaican yellow yams assists the red blood cells to transport oxygen and stimulate the circulation of blood in the scalp. Hence, optimum usage of yellow yam can increase hair growth. In addition, the antioxidants present in Jamaican yellow yams help maintain a fresh and youthful appearance by blocking aging symptoms such as fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Historically, Jamaican yellow yams have served as an alternative medication for several years. Recent research has investigated the plausible health advantages of yams. Various medical companies, especially those in China, Japan, and Korea, have also created medicines using yellow yams due to their allantoin composition. Yellow yams are an excellent source of vitamin C. This helps to boost your immune system by shielding against several bacteria and infections. It also helps in the speedy recovery of wounds. Yellow yams contain vitamin A, which helps sustain robust membranes and the skin, increases and strengthens your night vision, promotes a strong bone development, and guards against cancers relating to the lungs and the mouth. Besides, yellow yams provide adequate amounts of other nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, fiber, manganese, calcium, iron, vitamin B6, and pantothenic acid. Jamaican yellow yams contain a compound called diosgenin, associated with neuron growth. These have proved to improve the learning and memory abilities of humans. In fact, a study demonstrated how people who consumed yam extract supplements secure higher marks in a brain function test. Additionally, Jamaican yellow yams contain potassium, which increases the cognitive functioning of the brain. Yellow yams are known to build estrone and estradiol levels, which are two important hormones in the blood. Hence, yellow yams can ease the symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes, night sweats, and nausea, symptoms of imbalanced hormone levels. This is supported by a study that illustrated that yellow yams helped in reducing the symptoms of menopause. This is because yellow yams contain diosgenin, which influences the patterns of hormones by reducing menopausal symptoms. Yellow yams are an excellent food source to add to your fertility-friendly diet too. The presence of antioxidants in Jamaican yellow yams guards against cell destruction. Hence, yams are highly recommended for shielding your eggs and improving their overall health. Jamaican yellow yams contain numerous antioxidants that help to combat cancer. In fact, a study on animals was conducted, which determined that if the diet is rich in yams, it will significantly lessen the growth of colon tumors. This is due to the presence of various antioxidants in yellow yams. As we know, yellow yams are rich in antioxidants. Therefore, they also decrease chronic inflammation, reducing the risk of heart diseases, diabetes, and obesity. Research conducted on rats has demonstrated that consuming yellow yam powder reduced inflammation related to ailments, including colon cancer, acute bowel syndrome, and stomach ulcers. Consuming Jamaican yellow yams can control your blood sugar levels. A study was carried out on rats that were given yellow yam water extract. The study results showed that yellow yam water extract reduced the blood sugar level of rats. In a similar study, researchers fed yellow yam flour to rats, which resulted in a reduced absorption rate of blood sugar level. These outcomes are associated with the presence of starch and fiber in yams. Starch travels through your stomach unabsorbed and is linked to reduced hunger, improved blood sugar levels, and insulin sensitivity. Yellow yams are famous for reducing your appetite. The roots of yellow yams render a useful fiber known as glucomannan, which aids in losing weight. The fiber converts into a gel form when eaten and remains in your stomach. This makes you feel fuller for longer. Consequently, your cravings are suppressed and your weight loss journey becomes more manageable and therefore achievable. The presence of starch in yellow yams can mitigate digestive problems such as ulcerative colitis, constipation, diarrhea, and Crohn's disease. Different studies have reported that starch in yams can augment and develop digestive enzymes that help tear down foods and boost good bacteria in your stomach. Jamaican Yellow Yam's versatility makes it possible to pair these yams with various dishes and use them in different forms. For instance, yellow yam fries are such a unique way to ward off your craving for fries. Besides satisfying your cravings, yellow yam fries will also provide nutritional value and vitality to your body. In case you're still confused about the ingredients, here's a list to help you. First, you'll need yellow yam, olive oil, garlic powder, ground paprika, and salt. These yellow yam fries serve to be a perfect side dish to a variety of cuisines. You can customize the seasonings to yellow yam fries and create your own unique recipe. Here's a recipe for a Jamaican yellow yam salad. This Jamaican yellow yam salad is vegan, gluten, and dairy free. It takes all of 10 minutes to prepare. It gives the aroma and essence of a creamy yellow yam salad with a blend of vegan mayonnaise, sweet pickle relish, and herbs. Its ingredients include yellow yam, peeled and diced, vegan mayonnaise, sweet pickle relish, chopped celery, finely chopped red onion, celery seed, garlic powder, dried dill, salt, and you can change things up a little and create your own innovative yellow yam salad recipe. Thank you for watching.
Elite Jamaica.